Assalamu alaikum. Let me ask you something and please answer me honestly in the comments. How many of you have tried apple cider vinegar and then stopped using it because it started burning your stomach, because it caused nausea, or because your body simply said, "This is not for me"? If you are one of those people, please watch this video till the end. It may completely change the way you think. Today, I want to introduce you to something that's not new, not viral, not trending, but something that is ancient, deeply nourishing, and very personal. I am talking about date vinegar. This is not a substitute for apple cider vinegar. It is not a cheaper version either. It belongs to a completely different category. I call it a mineral vinegar. Now, this is especially important for my Muslim and Pakistani audience. We all know that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, praised vinegar and described it as an excellent condiment. But pause for a moment and think. In Medina at that time, apples were not common. There were no imports, no global supply chains like today. So, when vinegar is mentioned in Ahadith, was it really apple vinegar? Absolutely not. Then, what vinegar was it? The most available fruit of that land was dates. Dates were the daily food, they were the economy, they were the strength. So, when vinegar was praised, it was most likely date vinegar or at least vinegar made from a local fruit, not apples. This distinction matters because it helps us understand which vinegar is the food and healing and which is just acid. And most importantly, which vinegar did the Prophet have in mind while giving all these narrations? Let me explain the science very simply. Apple cider vinegar is mostly acetic acid. Date vinegar is also acetic acid, but not only that, it also contains minerals, antioxidants, polyphenols, and many other nutrients that come naturally with dates. It is also rich in potassium, magnesium, and polyphenols. So, when dates ferment into vinegar, they don't produce just acid, they produce a nutrient rich acid. That is why I call it mineral vinegar. Now let's discuss on how to use date vinegar. The method is very simple. Before every meal, take 1 glass of water, add 1 tablespoon of date vinegar and drink it. That's it. So if you have watched the video till here, you are obviously fascinated by date vinegar. Or did you use apple cider vinegar and it caused you heartburn and acidity? Let me know in the comment section below. And subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it because these are the kind of wonderful healthy videos that we upload on our channel. And like all our other probiotics and vinegars, our date vinegar is also fermented till full time. There are no quick shortcuts. And like all other vinegars, they are also with the mother without any chemicals or toxins. And that's why you might notice a slight change in the color of our vinegar because our vinegar is the same color of the dates. It is not a factory product which is of the same color every time. It changes as the color of the dates changes with the seasons. If you have hormonal imbalance, fertility issues, high stress or cortisol, blood sugar problems, and a sensitive gut, and if the apple cider vinegar harms your stomach, this does not mean vinegar is bad for you, it just means you chose the wrong vinegar. In my clinic, I prescribe it to ladies with menstrual issues, to people with gut problems, stress, high cortisol levels, and uncontrolled diabetes for control of diabetes. Not every trend is for everybody. Not everything that is popular is healing for everyone. So don't fall for marketing gimmicks. A good example is Bragg's apple cider vinegar. They have invested so much in their marketing that right now when we say vinegar, people think immediately of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, which is not true. They have diluted their vinegar, which you can see by the amount of mother that is present in their vinegars. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below, did you use date vinegar before, and if you have used it, what kind of benefits did you see? And incidentally, if you make date vinegar at home like I do, you will end up with a lot of date seeds, that is the pits of the dates, and they are even more nutritious than the dates themselves. What I do is I roast them and make a date seed coffee out of it. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do the next video on date seed coffee. It is naturally decaffeinated and full of nutrients. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.